Kerim? Kerim?
Hello.
Nico, it's Dominic. Where is Kerim?
He's dead.
He's not dead. I saw him.
You were on his funeral yesterday.
No, I wasn't. He's alive. Please help me find him. I love him.
Grave number 23 on Vlakovo Cemetery. Vlakovo.
He's back.
Policija. Dominik Vidal.
Yes.
Treba vam vaš pasoš.
I need to see your passport.
It's down on reception.
Na recepciji.
Neka ne zove.
Please call.
Room 23. My passport, please.
Nalog za prijetres. Sudski tužitelj je to potpisao.
Research order with prosecutor's signature.
May I dress up?
Mogu li se presvući? Yes.
I'm citizen of Great Britain.
Ja sam državljanka Velike Britanije.
Uskoro će doći neko iz ambasade.
Someone from embassy is on the way here.
Ne morate davati izjavu dok taj ne dođe.
You don't have to talk until he comes.
I've got nothing to hide.
Nemam šta skrivati.
I just want to know, what do you want from me?
Želim da znam šta hoćete od mene.
Vi ste već izvršili oporuku.
You have already finished the testament.
Yes. So what?
Da, pa šta?
Bivši muž vam je bio veoma bogat čovjek.
Your ex-husband was extremely rich.
Yes.
Da?
Imamo informaciju da nije umro prirodnom smrću.
Your husband didn't die naturally.
How did he die?
Kako je onda umro?
Neko mu je pomogao umrijeti.
Someone helped him to die.
Vi ste na dan njegove smrti bili u Bosni.
You were in Bosnia on day of his
Ovdje
death.
su pečati bosanske granične kontrole.
Here are the staples of Bosnian border officers.
He's not dead.
On nije mrtav.
Ko?
Who?
Kerim, my husband.
Kerim, moj muž.
U čiji ste sprovodu bili juče u 11:30?
On which funeral you've been yesterday at 11:30?
His
Na njegovu.
Ko je onda živ?
He's alive then.
Ja ću biti šemici.